So I had a student that wanted to learn how to make an AI snake game. So I built this little demo, and what you can see is 100 snake games are being played, and this is the generation. So every time there's a new generation, or all the snakes die, a new generation's formed, and then this is the most food that a snake's eaten, and you can see it's not super smart. I am feeding the whole board to it. There's probably a lot more I could be doing, but I'm kind of going to let the student do that. But this is going to be like a good starter, good intro to AI. This is inspired by a Tech with Tim video. He did a really good job of explaining it, and he built a really cool Flappybird game. So this is taking what I've learned from him and doing it with Snake, which is a little bit harder in my opinion, just because there's more outputs. So there's 4 outputs in this: left, right, up, and down. But it slowly learns. So it's a little bit harder of a problem, but the snake slowly learns. So I'll be doing a tutorial on this. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys on the flip side.